In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable full screen in Google Meet. Whether you're using Google Meet for work, school, or catching up with friends and family, maximizing your view can enhance your experience, helping you focus on the conversation and reduce distractions. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get the most out of your screen space. First off, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google Meet homepage. If you're not already signed in, do so using your Google account credentials. Navigating to this page sets the stage for creating or joining a video meeting where you'll later adjust your display settings. Once you've arrived on the Google Meet platform, you'll want to initiate a meeting. Look for the option that says New Meeting on your screen. It's typically located near the top and is easy to spot. Clicking on New Meeting provides you with several options on how you wish to start or schedule your meeting. For our purpose today, click on Start an Instant Meeting. This option is perfect if you want to quickly jump into a meeting instead of scheduling it for another time. Choosing this option means that a new meeting window will immediately open, bringing you into a live session. Now that your meeting is live, let's address how to enable full screen. In the meeting window, direct your attention to the three vertical dots, which signify more options. These dots are usually found at the bottom right-hand corner of your meeting screen. Clicking on these dots reveals a menu filled with additional settings which allow you to tailor your meeting experience according to your preferences. Within this drop-down menu, keep an eye out for the full screen option. Selecting this will expand your Google Meet window, maximizing it to fill your entire screen. This feature is incredibly useful as it minimizes distractions by hiding any other browser tabs or applications you might have open, allowing you to focus entirely on the meeting at hand. And there you go, you are now all set with your Google Meet in full screen mode. It's a simple yet effective adjustment that ensures a more immersive and uninterrupted meeting experience. In case you need to exit full screen, simply hit the escape key on your keyboard or navigate back to the More Options menu and toggle off the full screen setting. Thank you for joining today's tutorial on enabling full screen mode in Google Meet. I hope this will enhance your virtual interaction and meetings, making them more efficient and pleasant. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy to follow tutorials and tips on making the most out of your digital applications. Have a great day.